Hello, friends. Hello. Welcome here. For those of you who just came in, welcome in for our 80s TV trivia. Who's here for that one? Make some noise. Who loves the 80s? Who lived through the 80s? Who was not born in the 80s but loved the 80s? I think I'm part of that too. If you don't have your number one. What Baywatch lifeguard was first an actor in Knight Rider? Once again, what Baywatch lifeguard was first an actor in Knight Rider? For number one. We need the full name, right?
Come on.
I know his
first
name,
and
but I don't
last.
remember.
And what time was this actor born? Just kidding. Never mind the second one. Just the full name, just the full name. Number two. Which 80s TV comedy won the most Emmy Awards in this decade? Once again, which 80s TV comedy won the most Emmy Awards in this decade? For number two. Ooh, it's turning. Big wheels keep on turning. Number three. What was the name of Alf's home planet? ALF.
I knew I was going to have to Google that.
Once again, what was the name of Alf's home
I
planet?
knew that question was
For
going to come
number
up.
three.
I knew that question was going to come up. I read it refresh.
With the Alf. Alf.
And I love that show too.
Oof. That's number three. Was that easy?
Oh, yeah.
Question it again.
What was the name of Alf's home planet? ALF apostrophe S home planet.
I can't believe I didn't go refresh it because I knew that
Number four.
that question was going to come.
What does ALF stand for in the
I know that
TV
one.
show of the same name? Once again, what does ALF stand for in the TV show of the same name? Oops. Wow. Are you doing good with your answers? Thank you for your honesty. Appreciate it. Once again, what does the ALF or ALF stand for in the TV show of the same name? Number five. Which character did Mr. T play on the A-Team? Once again, which character did Mr. T play on the A-Team? Number six. What state did Magnum P.I. take place? What state did Magnum P.I. take place? I gave you the clue, but you are not looking. Number seven. Al Bundy, is this Bundy or Bundy? Bundy. Perfect. Al Bundy popped onto screens in 1987 on which TV sitcom? Once again, Al Bundy popped onto screens in 1987 on which TV sitcom? Number 8. What actor received multiple Emmy Awards for their role on Night Court? Once again, what actor received multiple Emmy Awards for their role on Night Court?
I hated that show. I hated that show.
Do you want a clue? It's a person.
I hated that show. All I remember
Next.
was that
You want another
big
clue?
bald.
The name starts with a letter. Number 9. The Fonz is a character you would see on what sitcom? Once again, the Fonz is a character
believe you
you
don't
would
know this
see
stuff.
on what sitcom?
I didn't watch much TV.
I know you did.
What was the name of Arnold Jackson's bullying nemesis on Different Strokes? Once again, what was the name of Arnold Jackson's bullying nemesis on Different Strokes? For number 10.
Oh, I love that show too.
Are you doing good with your answers? Perfect. We're getting somewhere.
I can't believe I missed it.
All right. Last 10 questions. Is this a camera?
No, it's not
Are
candy.
you recording?
It's a flower.
It's a flower.
Yeah.
Hey, flower. I would like to meet my mom in the Philippines.
It's not recording, is it?
It is recording.
Number 11. In which city did Dorothy, Rose, Blanche, and Sophia live on the Golden Girls? Thank you for being a friend.
What state?
Cleveland. What state?
I don't know. Did he say state or
City.
city?
City.
Is it Cleveland or
City. City.
I don't know.
Chicago?
It's the drink. It's okay.
Cleveland or Chicago?
Once again, in which city did Dorothy, Rose, Blanche, and Sophia live on the Golden Girls? Who loves the Golden Girls?
Not me.
Alright, I'm expecting you to get this one correct. Number 12. On Three's Company, what was Jack's restaurant that he opened and was head chef? Once again, on Three's Company, what was Jack's restaurant that he opened and was head chef? Number 13. What was Roscoe's dog's name on the Dukes of Hazzard? Once again, what was Roscoe's dog's name on the Dukes of Hazzard? Daisy Duke, wow. Daffy Duke.
It was a big old hound dog.
Or Donald Duke. That's number 13.
I'm losing points with the guys on this
Do you
one.
want a clue? Number 14. Knight Industries 2000 is better known as what? Once again, Knight Industries 2000
I got my
is
points
better
back
known
with the guys.
as what?
Got my points back with the guys on that one.
Number 15. Name the famous TV painter from this decade. Ooh, this one's easy.
The guy with the big hair.
Name the famous TV painter.
I don't know his first
Painter from this decade. Number 16. What was the name of He-Man's legless wizard friend? Is it He-Man or He-Man? He-Man. I say it. Are you proud of me? Ooh, I'm proud of me too. What was the name of He-Man's legless wizard
I
friend?
had one when I was a kid.
Thank you for being
He
a friend.
had a freaking hat on.
We said the right words.
So I've had this.
He-Man's legless friend.
Yeah.
That's number 16. What was the name of He-Man's legless wizard? Number 17. Mr. Richard Bounty was the principal on what TV sitcom of this decade? Once again, Mr. Richard Bounty was the principal on what TV sitcom of this decade? For number 17.
Wasn't that 90s?
It was late,
Did it come in late?
like maybe 89,
Oh,
and then
okay.
more than that.
Alrighty, few more questions for our 80s television trivia. Number 18. Number 18. On Press Your Luck, what would cause a contestant to lose all their cash? Once again, on Press Your Luck, what would cause a contestant to lose all of their cash?
I think it's kind of sprinting around on like these little screens.
Didn't watch it.
I did.
Okay.
My grandmother did too.
Press loser.
Yep.
Alright, number 19. The Jeffersons was a spin-off from what sitcom? Once again, The Jeffersons was a
I
spin-off
can't think of it.
from
but,
what sitcom?
Had the guy.
Yeah.
What was the name
And
of that
we are
show?
down to our last
Gosh.
question.
Think of that.
Number 20. What famous talk show host made a guest appearance on Laverne and Shirley? Once again,
Hated
what
that
famous
show.
talk show host made a guest
Hated that
appearance
show.
on Laverne and Shirley?
Again, my
All
mom
right,
probably
finalize
liked
your
that show.
answers. We'll go through the answers shortly.
I can't believe that last one, 19. I can't believe.
Yeah, because we've watched.
That sums up all the questions. It's about that time.
It wasn't Sanford and Sons.
No.
To find out the answers. If you know the answer, shout it out.
That
Number
old
one.
white guy.
What Baywatch lifeguard was first an actor in Knight Rider?
David Hasselhoff.
Correct. David Hasselhoff is the answer. If you got that, say yeah.
I'm just
Number two.
curious. Who all
Which
got it wrong.
80s TV comedy won the most Emmy Awards in this decade?
Cheers. Cheers.
The answer is Cheers. Alright. Cheers. Number three. What was the name of Alf's home planet?
Melmac.
Correct. Melmac is the answer. Melmac. Number four. What does ALF or ALF stand for in a TV show of the same name?
Alien life form.
Correct. Alien life form is correct. That's right. Are you doing good with scores? One person said yeah. Okay. Number five. Which character did Mr. T play on the A-Team?
B.A. Baracus.
B.A. Baracus. Baracus. I said
All the
it.
guys answered
Baracus.
correctly.
Number six. What state did Magnum P.I. take place?
Hawaii.
Hawaii.
You should know that because your mom loved that show.
My love, that
Watch
was
it
the
with
clue.
her.
Hawaii. I tried. Missed it. Al Bundy popped onto screens in 1987 on which TV sitcom? Married with Children. Correct. Married with Children is the answer. Number eight. What actor received multiple Emmy Awards for their role on Night Court?
David Larroquette.
Are you sure? John Larroquette is the answer.
I don't even know who that is.
Number nine. The Fonz is a character you would see on what sitcom? Happy Days is correct. Number 10. What was the name of Arnold Jackson's bullying nemesis on Different Strokes?
The Gooch.
He said Willis. Who said Gooch?
The Gooch.
What else? The answer is Gooch. Gucci, Gucci, ya, ta, ta. Gucci, Gucci, ya. I guess I'm hungry. In which city did Dorothy, Rose, Blanche, and Sophia live on the Golden Girl? Miami is correct. Thank you for being a fan.
I couldn't remember because I didn't like
That's
that
it. That's the only
show.
part I know.
Yeah.
On Three's Company, what was Jack's restaurant that he opened in Lost Head Shack? Correct. Jack's Bistro is the answer. Jack's Bistro. Number 13. What was Roscoe's dog's name on the Dukes of Hazzard? Flash is the answer. Like that. Flash.
Someone said posted.
Night in the Streets 2000 is better known as what?
Kit.
Correct. Kit.
That's where I get my
K-I
points back.
double T. It's already there. Night for K. I for Industries. And double T for 2000. Number 15. Name the famous TV painter from this decade. Bob Ross is correct. Number 16. What was the name of He-Man's legless wizard friend? Say what? Orko is correct.
That's right, yeah.
Orko. Number 17. Mr. Richard Belching was the principal of what TV sitcom of this decade?
That magic
Ding ding ding. Saved by the Bell.
family.
Number 18. On Press Your Luck. What would cause a contestant to lose all of their cash? Whammy is the answer. The whammy whip.
Family or something like that.
Number 19. The Jeffersons was a spin-off from what sitcom? All in the Family
There
is
it
the
goes.
answer. We're doing good. I think we're gonna have a tie. Number 20. What famous talk show host made a guest appearance on Laverne and Shirley? Oh, we are divided. The answer is Jay Leno. Yes, I was there when he made it
I could
appear.
have just guessed that one.
Just kidding.
How
I was
did I get it
like,
wrong? So we're here in the Dominican Republic. First time we're you've ever been here. Not gonna be here for very long. It's like 11 something. I think we go back at 4 or 5 or something. We leave. We're not doing anything. We may not even get off the ship. We may go get off and see if they have any like shopping or something. But we just got done humiliating ourselves on 80s trivia, 80s TV trivia, and things I should have known I didn't know. Like I knew that I should have gone, and I knew that was going to be a question. I just knew it. The whole Alf's home planet. It turns out it didn't matter. There's a lot of this stuff I didn't remember. But I got All in the Family at the very end there, so I'm pretty proud of myself there. Some of those shows were like when I was like, you know, early 80s, when I was like a little kid, like Laverne and Shirley, that show, All in the Family. But some of those shows, it's just like, I can't believe my wife didn't know who the Fonz was. You knew the Fonz, you didn't know what. She didn't know the TV show.
I think that came on late, and I don't think I watched it. Just like Cheers came on late, but sometimes, you know.
I wasn't a Cheers fan, but I just remember that was probably one of the, you know, it was like one of the longest running shows, and everybody loved it except me. But I'm glad I got Kit. I'm glad I got B.A. Baracus. So we're good there. So I got some of my man points there. So, and I'm glad I didn't get the Golden Girls right. I think I got some man points there too. Oh, you missed one about the Golden Girls? Here, chalk that up as a man win. We're in the Dominican Republic. That's where we're at. We're walking in the rain. We're walking in the rain. I'm getting the camera wet. Here we go.